Nandito kayo ngayon. Sinusuportahan niyo po ako at with prayers, salamat din po sa lahat ng tumulong sa akin ever since I won Binibining Pilipinas as Miss Universe. Maraming salamat po Binibining Pilipinas, Binibining Pilipinas Organization, the Eternity, JRP. I've seen myself changing, evolving, like a beginning. And I can feel it that I am now empowered by the help of the Filipinos that are here now. Maraming salamat po. Sana supportahan niyo ko hanggang pageant itself on January 30th. I hope you guys will be there. I hope you will support me. And from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po.